Welcome back to our series on effective course development. In this video, we're diving into a crucial element for any successful training program, clearly defining your course goals. This is step 2 in our comprehensive guide, and it's where you lay the foundation for impactful learning. Have you ever started a project without a clear destination in mind? It often leads to wasted effort and mediocre results. The same applies to training courses. Without clear goals, your content can become unfocused, and your learners might not achieve the desired outcomes. Understanding the why behind your course is paramount. Imagine your training course as an arrow. To hit the target, you need a precise aim. That target represents your course goals. Whether you're aiming for financial returns, expanding your audience, or boosting internal capabilities, each goal guides your development process. Clear goals are absolutely essential for successful course development. They act as your compass, ensuring that every piece of content, every activity, and every assessment aligns with what you want to achieve. This focus prevents scope creep and keeps your project on track. Training courses can serve a multitude of purposes. It's vital to identify which purpose, or combination of purposes, aligns with your overall strategy. Let's explore some common types of course goals. One primary goal for many courses is monetization. This means turning your training into a direct revenue stream, whether through paid enrollment, subscription models, or premium content access. If your goal is to generate income, every aspect of your course design will need to support this. Another powerful goal is lead generation. Here, your course acts as a magnet, attracting potential clients or customers by offering valuable free content, taster sessions, or introductory modules. The aim is to capture interest and convert it into qualified leads for your business. Then there's skill enhancement, often focused on internal employee education. This goal aims to upskill your workforce, improve productivity, foster innovation, or ensure compliance. When the goal is internal growth, the focus shifts to practical application and measurable skill development within your organization. Once you identify your primary goal, you need to break it down into clear, specific objectives. These objectives should be SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Vague objectives lead to vague results. For example, instead of learn about marketing, a clear objective would be, by the end of this module, learners will be able to develop a basic social media content calendar using tool X. This clarity sets expectations and allows for effective measurement. Defining objectives also helps in visualizing expected outcomes. What will success look like? For a monetization course, success might be generating $5,000 in sales within the first month. For skill enhancement, it could be reducing error rates in process by 20%. Crucially, your course goals should never exist in a vacuum. They must align with broader organizational strategies. A course aimed at lead generation should support the company's sales targets, just as a skill enhancement course should bolster key departmental objectives. This alignment ensures that your training programs are not just standalone initiatives, but integral components of your company's growth and success. When course goals support company-wide objectives, their impact is amplified. The benefits of having clear, actionable objectives are numerous. Firstly, they keep your programs focused. No more meandering content or irrelevant information. Every piece serves a purpose, making your training efficient and impactful. Secondly, actionable objectives provide a clear roadmap for both you, the developer, and your learners. Everyone knows what needs to be achieved, making the learning journey more directed and ultimately more successful. This focus leads to increased ROI, better learner engagement, and most importantly, measurable results. You can track progress against your objectives, proving the value of your training initiatives to stakeholders. By clearly defining your course goals, you set the stage for success. In our next video, we'll dive into Step 3, Content Creation Strategy, how to build engaging and effective content that directly supports these well-defined goals. Stay tuned.